with I like. Let's go to the conversation sheet. And on the second page, conversation number 2, we have a conversation where people are asking what the other person likes. So the first person here says, do you like French fries? An máliat scalóga. Second person responds, yes, isma. I like them. Ismalium iad. So you notice the first isma is for yes, and then the second one is part of a longer sentence, I like them. So if you want to give a simple answer, you would just say isma or nima. But then if you want to say yes, I like them, you would say isma, ismalium iad. Or for no, I don't like them, nima, nimalium iad. So the first isma or nima would be yes or no, and the second one would be part of a longer sentence.
From that, when we listen to that, the get to big, they like it's more of a northern dialect.
Right.
Is it okay to say they say my?
Right. That's the way they say it in the north. So in the north you would say ismoilium. It's more of a moi kind of sound.
Ismoilium lasagna. Ismoilium pizza. Misha Bridge.
Okay.
That's something to be on the radio.
So where are we? Oh, okay. The next person, so first person asks another sentence, question then. Don't you like vegetables too? Nach maliat glossary freshen? So remember glossary or vegetables, and freshen means to or also or as well. So then this person says, no, nima. I don't like vegetables. Nimalium glossary. So once again, the first nima in there is for no, and then the second one is part of the I don't like sentence.
What is the difference between, and I should know this, isma and sha?
Oh, well, that other one is where you're identifying nouns, where you're saying, it is a cup, or he is a doctor, or she is a police officer, or something like that. For a yes or no to one of those questions, you would say sha or ni ha, like it is so or it is not so. But since this is part of an idiomatic expression for I like, ismalium, I like literally it is good with me.
Me.
Right. So this you're not identifying a noun. You're not identifying an object or a person. Like that's a cup and that's Kevin over there or something like that. So for those ones you're using you're identifying nouns. So you would say sha or niha. But this is part of an expression isma, liom or nima liom. So the you still use the ma in there, isma or nima, but it's not the same yes or no as when you're identifying a person or an object or something. Is that clear at all, or not
Yeah,
sure? Okay.
Actually, I think so.
Next. Well, here maybe I can demonstrate it. Happened to have stolen a cookie during the break. So if you want to say it is a cookie, you would say is briska a. So if somebody asks you on briska a, is it a on briska a? You would say sha.
It is.
Right. But if somebody asks you on malyat brisky, do you like cookies? You would say isma.
Okay.
So that means because you're saying I like, you're not really identifying what the cookie is. So.
Do you like cookies? Yes, it's a cookie. Have a nice day.
Step for others.
Okay, so were there any other questions, or we'll have, let's see, okay, Melania, why don't you take A, and Tig, why don't you take B on the conversation number 2?
Amalia Skalka.
Ismalam iad.
Nach Malia glossary freshen?
Nima lam glossary.
Come on. So let's see, how about Ian, why don't you take A, and Carrie, you can take B.
When Maliat Galaga,
Isma liom iad.
Nach Maliat glossary freshen.
Nima liom glossary.
Okay, come on. Let's see, how about Dermot and Kevin? You want to try B, A and B?
What was that?
Oh, Dermot, you be A, and Kevin, you can be B.
An maith scalaga,
Isma liom iad.
nach maith glossary freshen.
Nima liom glossary.
Okay, come on. Let's see who hasn't done it. How about Bob and Chris, A and B?
Maliat Scaloga,
Isma liom iad.
nach Maliat Glossary, Freshen.
Liom glossary.
Okay, come on. Sure I missed someone. Julianne, you haven't done it, so you can be A. Who else did I miss? I'm sure I missed someone. Okay. Oh, Francesca. Okay. So why don't you take the B part then?
An Maliat Scaloga.
Isma liom iad.
Nach Maliat Glossary Freshen.
Nima liom glossary.
Okay, come on. Is there anyone else? Or did I get everyone? Okay. So here's where we get into a tricky part. But I might as well start asking questions. Which side should I pick to torment first? Here, maybe I'll pick you. Start you first. So I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to respond using the full sentence. So, if I ask you if you like something, you say ismalium, whatever. Or if you don't like it, nimalium, whatever it is. So let's see. Let's start with anmaliat. Let's see. Anmaliat prati. Does everybody follow that? Prati are potatoes. So anmaliat prati.
Nimalium prati. Ismalium scalava.
Okay, ismale shkaloga. She prefers potatoes, French fries to regular potatoes. Okay, let's see, Julianne. Anmaliat urteroche. You follow urteroche is ice cream down at the bottom of the food list. So, anmaliat urteroche.
Okay. Isma Liam Uktarucha. Roicha?
Right, urteroche. Or roiche, that's right. Okay, let's see, Ian. Anmaliat shikin.
Ismalium chicken.
Okay.
They say fried.
Fried? I think that would be frichte or something. So now let's see, Carrie, I'll have to ask you a good one. Anmaliat, okay, Anmaliat shakloij he. So the list of the drinks there.
Isma Liam Shaktoid. Yeah.
Shakloij he.
Heh.
Right.
Is that hot chocolate?
She said
Yes, that's hot chocolate. Go grab my mistake pen. I see a mistake in the I forgot to put the he for the drink form of chocolate. So. Okay. Sorry about that. Now let's see. Dermot. Let's see. Anmaliat bia mekshikjach.
Ismalium beer Mexican.
Okay, come on. A small lesh bia mekshikjach. He likes Mexican food. Let's see. A river. Let's see. Anmaliat fien.
Es Kamelion, Optis, Ma, Liom, Liom.
Okay, so he said, I asked him, do you like wine? Anmaliat fien. And he said, it's kamelion. I don't care. It's all the same to me. But Ismalium was a bjor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ismalium bjor. I like beer. Okay, Christor. Anmaliat banya. And
It's Brian Manya.
okay, it's bra lash bun, which is actually on the last sheet here. So I love milk.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Isma.
That's what I was wondering. Okay, Francesca, let's see. Anmaliat torhi, which is near the top of the list of foods. Torhi is fruit. Right, so Anmaliat torhi.
Isma liom.
Okay,